To begin with, you want to go ahead and connect your USB drive or external drive. Notice mine's right up here, top right corner. Then you're going to want to go to Disk, Utility. If your view doesn't look like this, it will look like this. So you want to go ahead and show all devices. Notice mine is macOS extended journaled. That's not what you want, so you want to go ahead and click right here. Hit erase. We'll call this WinMac. The format, you want to go and change that to ExFAT, which is extended FAT. Hit erase. I like to show all details. You can see what's happening. And it's done. Go ahead and hit done. You can close out of Disk Utility. And now this drive is compatible with both Windows and macOS as long as that file type is recognized by both Windows and macOS. So anytime you eject or remove your drive, you want to go ahead and do eject. Now it's ready and it's safe to remove.